Somewhere in these equations, x is hiding, and today we're going full detective mode to track it down. We'll investigate linear equations, crack fractional equations, decode simultaneous equations, and uncover the mystery behind quadratics, using algebraic clues step by step. Think of this video like a maths investigation board. Every equation leaves clues, every method helps narrow down the suspect, and by the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly how to isolate x with confidence. Alright, let's decode the world of equations. Think of it like this. An equation is just a puzzle where x, or another letter, is the missing piece. Our job is to find its value. For simple linear equations like 3x minus 5 equals 10, it's all about isolating x. Imagine it's a balancing scale. Whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other to keep it level. Things get spicier with fractional equations like 2 over x plus 1 equals x over 3. Don't panic. The goal is to eliminate the denominators. The easiest way is often to cross-multiply, turning it into a linear equation you already know how to solve. What if you're juggling two variables at once? Welcome to Simultaneous Equations. For two linear equations, you can use elimination, stacking them and adding or subtracting to cancel a variable, or substitution, solving one for x or y and plugging it into the other. It's like trying to figure out your friend's new crush using clues from two different Snapchat stories. But what happens when a straight line meets a curve? That's a linear and nonlinear simultaneous equation. Here, substitution is your best friend. You'll usually substitute the linear equation into the nonlinear one, which creates a quadratic equation. Speaking of quadratics, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, you have three main weapons. Factorization, the quickest, like finding the two numbers that multiply to c and add to b. Completing the square, a powerful technique to rewrite the quadratic into x plus p all squared plus q form. It's super useful for finding the turning point of a graph. The quadratic formula, your ultimate cheat code. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. It works every single time, especially when the answers are messy surds. This formula is on your exam sheet, so just master using it. Finally, we have changing the subject. This is like rearranging your Spotify playlists. You're just isolating a different variable to be the star of the formula. Remember to use inverse operations. Squaring to undo a square root, for example. You've got this.